Hello friend, Shreyas here from shreyasyadav.com. In this Lightroom tutorial, we will learn how to make a targeted adjustments using a graduated filter. So in this Lightroom tutorial, you will learn how to use color range mask and a luminosity range mask. So let's dive right in. We are in the Adobe Lightroom and this is the develop module. So on this sky, we are going to make a targeted adjustments. So this is a graduated filter and the keyboard shortcut is M. So let's go ahead and make the sky beautiful. So I have selected a graduated filter, then press shift and apply the graduated filter, then select a show selected mask overlay. So this is the area will get selected. Now we will refine this selection based on the range mask. So we have three options: color, luminance and the depth. So you can select based on a color, luminance or the depth. But for this picture, we will select based on the luminance. So let's adjust the range. For this picture, I will select the range from 50 to 100. And let's go ahead and apply some of the targeted adjustments to the sky. So first, I will apply some of the exposure corrections. I will add some contrast. I will increase a little bit of highlights. I will bring down some of the shadows. Then I will adjust the white point and the black point. I will apply a dehaze and it will increase the saturation. Will increase some of the sharpness in those skies. So now let's go ahead and look how the image looks like. This is the before picture, and let's look into how the picture looks like after we have made a targeted adjustments. Click done. There you go, a before and after image of a sky. This is how you can apply a targeted adjustments using a luminosity range mask. Now let's go ahead and make some targeted adjustments on these green mountains. So we want to bring that beautiful green color after the monsoon showers. So I will select a graduated filter and then I will press a shift key and apply a graduated filter on these mountains. Let's select a show selected mask overlay. So this is how the original selection looks like. Now let's go ahead and refine this selection. So I will select a range mask, a color, and you will see a color picker tool here. Select that tool and press shift and select the colors which you want to include in the mask. So I will click it here, here, and say here. Okay, and then I will increase the amount, say up to 60 to 80, so that the whole mountain will get selected. And then let's go ahead and make some targeted adjustments on this mountain. So I will bring out some of the shadows. I will adjust black and white points. I will increase some of the saturation and the sharpness and apply a little bit of dehaze over here. Okay, so now let's go ahead and see how the before and after picture looks like. So here we go. This is the before picture of the mountain and this is the after picture of the mountain. So start creating a targeted adjustments using the graduated filter. With graduated filter tool, the quality of your images will improve a lot. Hey, I have a special free gift for you. It's my 9-step Adobe Lightroom guide. It includes a Lightroom guide that shows you how to go from raw image to an awesome image, how to use a Lightroom tools to enhance the image, a free set of images for you to practice. To get this free guide, click on the link in the video description below. If you find this tutorial helpful, then subscribe and click on the bell icon so that when a new video is up, you will get a notification. And if you like this video, let me know in the comments below. Hey, again, thanks for watching. I will see you in the next video. Thank you.